Well, if you've got the midwinter blues, you're going to want to check out this recipe. Howard shows us how to make a Florida Sunshine strawberry salsa in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I don't know about you, but this time of year, you're probably not thinking about going to the market to get freshly picked produce. Well, you know what? You really should be, since it's peak season for Florida strawberries. And let me tell you, this year's crop is exceptional. Did you know that Florida is known as the winter strawberry capital of the nation? That means right now, through the end of March, these fields are brimming with strawberries, which will add a spark of sunshine to any day. So what makes them so special? First of all, they're planted and harvested by hand, which means each ruby red berry is given lots of TLC. And unlike many other fruits, these are vine ripened, so the flavor is second to none. I can't think of a better way to get rid of the wintertime blues than to add these to all sorts of recipes. There's everything from strawberry stuffed French toast to a to die for strawberry pie. And how about a fun and fruity salsa that goes with almost anything? It's simply a mixture of coarsely chopped Florida strawberries, chopped red onion, yellow pepper, jalapenos, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. We can enjoy it with chips or top some barbecue brisket tacos with it to add a burst of flavor. Maybe spoon it over grilled chicken for a novel change of pace. And if you'd like, toss in some mango or avocado to take it over the top. To get the recipe for our Florida Sunshine Strawberry Salsa, simply visit our website. Who would think something this tasty could be so good for you? So what are you waiting for? Head to the market while Florida strawberries are still at their peak. This is Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the field way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.